React app now, but it's a pretty boring one. There's no data. There's nothing tricky for it to dynamically render. So let's make it at least a little more interesting. So if a component needs to manage its own data, we give it state. And to use state, we need to initialize it in the constructor. So we've seen constructors in ES6 before. Just name a method constructor. And then we need to set state. This dot state equals some object. Getting an error already. This is not allowed before super. So if you're going to override the constructor from React component, you need to make sure you do run the original constructor too. So that's just like in other languages. You can call the same named method from the super class by calling super, because a lot of important stuff happens in the React component constructor. So we need to make sure we run that before we start messing with state. So this dot state equals some object. Let's give it a property of name. Name Terry. I like my trailing commas there. Good name, isn't it? So then to use this in my JSX, we just put curly braces. So curly braces allow us to put any JavaScript expression inside our JSX. In this case, we just want this.state.name. And we get hello Terry. Pretty simple. Questions about that much?